In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create assignments in Google Classroom. First, open your browser and head to the Google homepage. In the top right corner, click the Google Apps grid, the little 9-dot icon, and choose Classroom. That takes you to your class's dashboard. Select the class you want to work with. Once you're inside, switch to the Classwork tab at the top. This is where all your assignments, questions, and materials are organized. Click the Create button, then choose Assignment. A new assignment window opens. Start by entering a clear, concise title. Think of something students will instantly recognize, like the unit name and the task. Below the title, type out the instructions. Be specific about what students should do, how to submit, and any format you expect. If you reference outside resources or templates, mention them right here so everything is easy to find. On the right side, you'll see the assignment settings panel. Here, make sure the correct class and students are selected. If you changed any selection pop-ups, confirm them and click Done to return to the main settings. Next, set the points. You can make it ungraded, but if you're scoring it, enter the total points students can earn. Now set the due date. Click the due date field to open the calendar, then pick the date that fits your timeline. If you see the option to close submissions after the due date, turn that on so late work is automatically blocked. This helps keep your grading queue tidy and makes expectations clear for students. To keep your classwork organized, click the topic field. If you don't already have the right topic, select Create Topic, then type a name that groups this assignment with related work, like Unit 3, Reading Response, or Lab Reports. Organizing by topic makes it much easier for students to find what they need. If you use scoring guidelines, click Rubric. You can build a rubric that outlines criteria and performance levels. This part is optional, but it can save time later and make your grading more consistent. Once you've set the rubric the way you want, confirm and return to the assignment. Give everything a final look. Title, instructions, points, due date, the topic, and whether submissions close after the deadline. When you're ready to share it with your students, click Assign. Google Classroom will publish it to the classwork page, notify students, and add it to the class stream. That's it. Your assignment is live and organized exactly the way you planned.